How to fix Netflix stuck on loading screen. Let's get started. First, launch your Netflix app and force close it. Swipe up, close it, and again relaunch it. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is restart your device. Turn off your device in which you are using Netflix and again power it on. This might fix your issue. Next, check your internet connection. Launch your settings app. Navigate to the option Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, give a first restart to your router and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, update software. For that, navigate to the option General. Head over to the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your iOS to its latest version. Next up, update Netflix app. So close this and launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Netflix. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, use Netflix in the web version. So launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website netflix.com. Now go ahead and provide your credentials and log into your account. Next up, check server status of Netflix. So navigate to this one website, Down Detector, search for Netflix. If you found out any outages over here, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved. And that's it. These are some fixes for Netflix stuck on loading screen. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.